Do you ever feel like you're a product of your environment? Like the people around you have shaped who you are? Well, I got news for you. You can use that same force to change for the better. We all crave belonging. It's human nature. We all want to fit in, be accepted. But here's the powerful truth. You can choose your tribe. You can choose the influences that shape your life. Think back to when you started smoking. Was it really your own choice? Or how much were you influenced by your friends, the cool kids, the needs to fit in? I mean, peer pressure is a powerful force, but it can work both ways. Those friends that still light up, they might not be your allies in this journey. It's time to find a new tribe. Find the people who want you to quit, who will support you, who will celebrate your wins. Tell everyone you're quitting. Shout it from the rooftops. Social media, co-workers, friends, family, the whole world. Join online support groups. Let people cheer you on, hold you accountable, share their experiences. Find a community who understands your struggles and who will celebrate your victories, who will support you, who want you to succeed. Here's the thing about peer pressure. It's not just about what others say or do. It's about the expectations you internalize. When you surround yourself with people who believe in you, who expect you to succeed, you start believing it too. You see, this isn't just about quitting smoking. It's about taking control in your life, about choosing the influences that shape your future. It's about surrounding yourself with people who will lift you up, who will empower you to become the best version of yourself. It's about self-improvement and self-actualization. The virtues you will learn in this journey, you can apply in all aspects in life. So, are you ready to rewrite your story? Are you ready to use peer pressure to your advantage? Quit smoking. Your tribe is waiting for you.